Hello, my name is Raihan Permana Putra from class A. Here I will debate about double capacity oxygen cylinders. Definition of double oxygen tank trolley. Double oxygen tank trolley is a tool in the form of a frame or small vessel specifically designed to carry two oxygen tanks simultaneously. This trolley is usually made of strong and durable materials such as steel or aluminum and is equipped with wheels for easy mobility. Benefit of double oxygen cylinder trolley ease of transportation. Make it easier to move two oxygen cylinders at once, both in hospitals, clinics, and patient homes. Oxygen cylinder safety. Equipped with a cylinder circle that keeps the cylinder stable and prevents the risk of filling or rolling during transportation. Time and energy efficiency. With a double capacity, this trolley allows the transportation of two oxygen cylinders at once, saving time and effort compared to carrying cylinders one by one. Improve work safety. Reduce the risk of back or muscle injury due to lifting heavy oxygen cylinders manually. Flexibility of use. Suitable for a variety of needs, from large medical facilities such as hospital to personal use at home for patients who needs portable oxygen. Advantage and disadvantage. Advantage. Two cylinder sharing capacity allows two oxygen cylinders to be transported simultaneously, making it more efficient for use in medical or home environments. High mobility. Equipped with wheels that make it easy to move even in narrow aisles or uneven surface. Warrant safety. A seat belt or stepping system keeps the cylinder stable and reduces the risk of filling or rolling during transportation. Time and energy efficient. Reduce the number of trips required to move cylinder, saving time and energy. Disadvantage. Relatively large size. Requires more storage space than a single cylinder trolley, so it may be less practical in that space. Trolley weight. Trolley made of strong metal and to be heavy even if they are equipped with wheels. This can be a problem if they have to be lifted up stairs of surface without wheels. More expensive price. Because of the additional capacity and features, the price tends to be higher than a single cylinder trolley. Main components of the tool. Frame is the main frame made of strong materials such as steel or aluminum. Function as the overall support structure of the trolley. This frame is designed to hold two oxygen cylinders safely and stably. Wheels. Component at the bottom of the trolley that allow easy movement, usually consisting of 2 or 4 sturdy and durable wheels, capable of being used on various surfaces such as hospital floors or outdoor roads. Handle. The top of the trolley is ergonomically designed to make it easier for users to push or pull the trolley. This handle is often coated with non-slip material for comfort and safety during use. Oxygen cylinder hole, a tube-shaped holder or slot designed according to the size of the oxygen cylinder. This hole functions as a place to place the cylinder in a vertical position, equipped with safety features such as belts or straps to prevent the cylinder from shifting or falling during transportation. How to use the tool. How to use the double oxygen cylinder trolley. Cart preparation. Make sure the trolley is in good condition. Include checking the stability of the frame, the strength of the walls, and the completion of straps or belts. Installing the oxygen cylinder. Carefully lift the oxygen cylinder using the charge lifting technique to avoid injury. Securing the cylinder using the safety belt or strap provided on the trolley to ensure the cylinder remains in position. Moving the trolley, hold the handle of the trolley with both hands for more stable control. Using the oxygen cylinder. If the oxygen cylinder will use directly from the trolley, make sure the hose and regulator are properly attached before turning on the oxygen flow. Storing the trolley. After use, carefully remove the oxygen cylinder from the trolley. How to care for double oxygen trolley. How to care for double oxygen trolley. Routine inspection. Regularly check the condition of trolley frame to ensure there is no damage such as cracks, roots, or dents. Cleaning. Clean the trolley regularly using a soft cloth dampened with mild supply water to remove dust, dirt, or stains. Wheel care. Check the wheel to ensure there are no foreign objects such as hair or repairs work around which can hinder movement. Checking the tube fastening holes. Make sure the safety table hoses are functioning properly and not worn or rusty. Proper storage. Store the trolley in a dry place and protected from moisture or direct exposure to sunlight to prevent material damage. Checking bolt and connection tags. Check the bolts and connection on the trolley frame to ensure there are no loose ones. Replace damaged components. If components such as wheel, belts, or frame parts are found to be damaged, replace them immediately with new ones so that the trolley connection to function optimally. Tips and tricks. Tip and trick for using double oxygen cylinder trolley safely and efficiently. Make sure the trolley fits the size of the cylinder. Before pushing off using, make sure the trolley is compatible with the size of the oxygen cylinder you are using. Some trolleys are designed for specific size only. Check the wheels before use. Make sure the wheels are in good condition before start use, especially if the trolley often passes over uneven surface. Training proper use. If the trolley is used by staff or patient families, provide brief training on how to install, secure, and move oxygen cylinder safely. Store the trolley neatly after use. After use, store the trolley in a easily accessible and safe place so that it is ready to be used again. Routinely clean the trolley. Carry out regular cleaning to maintain the cleanliness of the trolley, especially if it is in a sensitive area such as a hospital. Conclusion. A double oxygen cylinder trolley is a very useful tool to officiate the transportation and handling of oxygen cylinder in various environments such as hospital, clinics, or patient homes, with key components such as the frame, wheels, headrest, and oxygen cylinder hulls. This trolley is designed to provide safety, efficiency, and comfort for its users. Property use and maintenance are essential to ensure that the trolley continues to function optimally and lasts a long time. Tips such as checking the condition of the trolley, using the correct lifting technique, and maintenance the cleans and maintenance of wheels can improve the efficiency and safety of its use. By entering this trolley into operation, it not only makes work easier but also reduces the risk of injury and improves work safety. Therefore, understanding how to use, maintain, and related tips and tricks is key to maximizing the benefit of a double oxygen cylinder trolley. Thanks for watching.